guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, plus, minus and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list they have given 4 answers: 12, 11, 4 and 8. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now, let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. We will discuss here 2 rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. These rules which we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the exponent or power of any number. Your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3 is you have to solve division and multiplication. So what you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so any of them you can solve which is coming first if you are going left to right. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first if you are going left to right. And we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first if we are going left to right. Now, move forward to solve the given expression. As you can see, we have here an expression which contains brackets. According to the BODMAS rule, we have to solve all the brackets first. So here we have this bracket, this one, and number 2, this one. So we have to solve each bracket one by one. So first of all, we will solve 6 plus 3, which is 9, minus, and other parts I'm writing as it is. So we will write 6 plus 3 equals to 9. Okay. Now move forward to solve the bracket number 2, which is this one. So here we will write 25 plus 9 minus 4 raised to power 4 raised to power 2 equals to 16. Basically 4 multiplied by 4, we will write 16. And plus 4 we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 4 raised to power 2 equals to 16. And this is raised to power. Now move forward to solve this bracket now because we have solved the power of 4. So 25 plus 9, we'll write this one, and 16 plus 4 equals to 20. Sorry, 20. And this part we will write now as it is. So here we will give the reference 16 plus 4 equals to 20. Now move forward. Now we have solved all the brackets. Now we will see the division and multiplication. Now we will go left to right in our expression and find out division and multiplication. Now you have to see we have this division. So we will solve this one. 25 plus 9 we will write as it is, minus 20 divided by 4, which is equals to 5. And here we will give the reference 20 divided by 4 equals to 5. Now, move forward. We have completed all the division and multiplication. Now we have addition and subtraction. So we will add 25 plus 9, which is equals to 34. And minus 5, we will write as it is. And if you see, and here we will give the reference 25 plus 9. Now move forward to solve. We have 2 terms which are subtracting each other. So the answer of the given expression is 29. So if you see the answer list, so answer B is the correct answer. I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and word mass method and find out the correct. If you see, um, um, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.